Okay, here's the basement. We got some poles up, ladders. Like I said last time I did this, we got a whole bunch done by then. Over here, what Evan calls the dark corner. There it is right there. That's where our furnace and stuff's going to be. Here's the stairs. It goes up, 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 up. And then down here it goes kind of down, 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 down. Right there's going to be a closet. Then over here, we got some windows to do. Or there's a pot. Right there, that's the pot. Right there. That's a window. That might be a window. Yeah? That's it.